Welcome back to the channel and thank you for joining me. My Volvo doesn't have any backup sensors or rear view camera, and in this video I got a brand new wireless digital solar backup camera kit, which I will unbox, install onto my Volvo and test it. So let's get started. High quality package, and once you open you will see your instruction manual, and I strongly recommend to read it because in this video I cannot cover everything. The instruction manual is pretty simple to follow, and in the package you're gonna get the backup camera, the remote control, the monitor, the suction cup, the car charger, the USB cable, and the owner's manual itself. 5-inch wireless monitor with anti-reflective coating, a wireless rear view camera which is solar battery operated, and at the bottom there is a on-off switch and a micro USB socket. The little antenna that attaches to the monitor itself, and a remote control button. In a separate box you're gonna find a micro USB charging cable, the car charger for the monitor, the suction mount for the monitor, and that's it. This is everything that's in the box. We're gonna get started with the installation. Screw the little antenna onto the monitor. It's a wireless 2.4G transmission between the monitor and the rear view module. Remove the protective tape. The remote control button is very compact, and this is what's gonna activate the rear view camera when you need it. If you ever need to replace the battery, just pop out the cover, and it's a CR2032 battery, which is very common. And the button itself has a 3M double-sided tape, so you can conveniently position this remote control anywhere you like in your vehicle. Before actual installation, I want to make sure everything works. Plug in your car charger into the socket, reconnect the two wires that supply power to the monitor. The monitor will turn on and then off, and it will go into standby mode. The rear view camera module at the bottom has a rubber flap. There is on-off switch under and a micro USB charging port. You need to pre-charge the battery on the camera module using a regular cell phone charger until the light goes out on the module itself. Once pre-charged, I'm gonna press on the remote control button, which will activate the rear view camera, and you're gonna see an image in less than 2 seconds on the monitor. Amazing! Its wireless transmission has no lag at all, and it's a very nice clear image. The installation is gonna be very easy since there is no running any wires between the monitor and the rear view camera, and it will get charged by the sunlight. I love it already. So let's get started. Remove your license plate on the back of the car, and by the way, you don't have to install this camera on the back. You can also install it in the front if you wish. It's up to you. Then just slide the license plate into position on the rear view module and reinstall it onto the car, securing with the nuts. The solar module maintains charge using sunlight, and you only need approximately 30 minutes of sunlight per day to maintain charge. In rainy season, the fully charged battery will last up to 2 months if you use it approximately 2-3 times a day. Now you can adjust the camera angle to your likes, and then once you adjust it, just tighten using a small Phillips screwdriver. Positioning the monitor, I tested a couple of locations. One was on the right side on the dash itself, either in the middle on the dash or on the windshield itself, in the middle or on the left. I chose the best location that suits my needs. Next is plugging in the car charger for the monitor. Just plug it in, and then I'm gonna run the wire alongside the center console And what's nice is that the wire actually slide into this groove between the center console and the dash, which makes the installation nice and neat. Next is positioning the remote control, which has double-sided 3M tape. This was one of the options on the center console itself, over here, on the dash, where you start the engine, on the left. And I came up that best I like it, which is hidden over here. The lines are adjustable to your needs. Please make sure that you read the owner's manual. There is more technical details that I didn't cover in this video. Another easy way to charge your rear view camera is just using a power bank. Open the flap, connect the micro USB cable, connect it to your power bank, leave it until it's fully charged. That easy. So even if you run out of juice, let's say the car was never in direct sunlight, you can always easily get it fully charged using a power bank. And of course it's waterproof, IP68 rated, so you don't have to worry about water or cold, because it's supposed to work up to -20 degrees Celsius. And winter is coming, so we'll see how it's gonna hold up during the cold winter month here in Canada. Here's another future Volvo fan. Let's see the rear view camera in action. I'm backing up here in between parked cars in a busy parking lot, and I'm so used to having no park assist that I actually like it. I can see where I'm going, and this gives you so much more confidence. Another shot, now I'm going to be doing parallel parking. It's an older yellow Corvette here. Turning on the rear view camera by pressing the remote control, the monitor goes on. You can actually adjust how long it's gonna show an image. And let me tell you that it's so much easier when you can see what's happening behind you. I like it. The installation was super easy, very quick. There is minimal intrusion into your car. You don't need any skill, no wiring, and no special tools. I will include a link where to get this camera kit. Also look in the description below for a promotional discount code that might be available for you to get this kit cheaper today. I hope that you like this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, support me, and don't forget the notification bell so you don't miss any videos. Thanks and bye bye guys.